In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and download files on Google Drive. Google Drive is an incredibly convenient tool for managing and sharing your files in the cloud, and today we'll go through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly how to navigate it with ease. To start, open a browser of your choice. Next, head over to Google and simply type Google Drive into the search bar. When the search results appear, you'll want to click on the first link or the one that clearly states its URL as drive.google.com. This link will take you straight to the Google Drive interface. Now, once the page has loaded, you might find that you've already been automatically logged in, thanks to your existing Google account. If not, simply log in using your Google credentials, and you'll be all set to proceed. Once you're inside your Google Drive, focus your attention on the top left corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled New. Clicking on this will present you with a couple of options: File Upload or Folder Upload. Choose File Upload if you're looking to add individual files, or Folder Upload if you want to upload a whole folder at once. If you choose File Upload, a dialog box will appear where you can navigate to the exact location on your computer where the file or folder you want to upload is stored. Take your time to find the right file or folder. Once located, select it. Here's another approach you might find convenient. Simply drag the files or folders you want to upload right from your desktop or folder on your computer and drop them into the Google Drive window. This straightforward method is especially handy if you're looking to upload multiple files at once without the need to explore through different directories. Now, let's talk about downloading files. If there's a file you want to download from your drive back onto your computer, it's just as simple. First, locate and click on the file in question to select it. With the file selected, right-click it, and from the context menu, choose Download. If you're downloading multiple files at once, Google Drive will automatically compress them into a single .zip file, making it easier for you to handle the download. That covers the basics of uploading and downloading files on Google Drive. With these steps, managing your files in the cloud becomes a breeze. Remember, your Google Drive is a powerful tool not just for storage, but for sharing and collaboration as well. Don't hesitate to explore its features further to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.